morning, second class children. Very good morning to all. So I think everyone is ready for the class, isn't it? So are you ready with the science class of notebook, second class children? So be ready with the science class of notebook and get ready to continue the yesterday session class. Okay. So today again I am going to give two more question answers, then drawing. Okay. Note down very neatly and write very neat handwriting and perfectly. Okay. So today now already I had written that question. Fourth question is name any two land animals. Okay, that is giraffe and ostrich. I had written already this question. Now listen on. Just look at the board and write very neatly. Name any two land animals. One, I had given the name of the animal and another one is ostrich. Giraffe and ostrich. Okay. Next one, which animals eat both plants and animals? Both they eat. So which animals now? Okay, write down now. Which animals eat? Bear. Okay. Second one, you can write crow. Third one, you can write dog, cat. Okay, enough. These four animals I had given to you. Just note down very neatly and then you have to go for that drawing or pasting work. Next page, take out a fresh page. This is a homework for you, simple homework. Draw or paste any two shelter of animals. Any two shelter of animals. Two shelter of animals. Okay. Draw or paste any two shelter of animals. So teacher had given the two question answers and homework is pasting. That is, you can draw any two pictures. Okay. Shelter of example, but you write the name of the animal. If you draw only shelter, you are going to draw only two shelters, but you have to highlight the name of that animal also. For example, if you draw the picture of bird, then if you draw the picture of nest, then write the name of that which animal shelter you have drawn. If it is bird shelter, then you write there bird shelter is nest. If it is hen, then you draw the picture of hen and shelter. Just you can write the at least name. Don't draw the bird. You write the name of the animal and you draw the shelter of the animal. Okay, that is enough. Don't get confused. Once again I am telling you. You write the name of the animal. Write the name of the animal is like how birds. Then draw the picture of that animal. Nest. If you draw the, if you are drawing that coop, then you write the name of that animal is which? Hen. Okay. So like that. If it is cow, then you write the name of the animal is cow. Then draw the picture of shed. Is it clear now? So please do this thing. Okay, complete this work and copy down these two question answers very neatly. Once again I will revise this. I will make you to revise. What is that? Name any two land animals. Giraffe and ostrich. Only two I had highlighted for you all. Okay. Which animals eat both plants and flesh? Bear, crow, dog and cat. Okay. So this is enough. And now let me start the new lesson. Can anyone can guess which lesson? Whether we are going to continue about the animals, about our plants, then what? Which lesson we are going to start? Anyone can guess, children? No? No idea? Okay, no, not to worry about that. Okay. Now, let me continue the class, name of the lesson. But no, I am not going to say that name of the lesson. Before I start the lesson, I would like to ask you some questions. Okay. From that you have to guess which lesson it is might be. Okay. Okay. So, should I start now? Are you all ready? Okay. So, okay, now we are all what? We are called as what? We are all animals? No. We are all what? Humans. Isn't it? We are all humans. Now we are not learning about any animals or plants. Now come back to our human body. Okay. So, our body. Now, this is not the name of the lesson. Don't think our body is not the name of the lesson. I am just telling you. So, this is our human body. Okay. Now in human body, what do we have? Bones and muscles, isn't it? We have bones and muscles. Okay. Okay. Now see, I don't want to go for so much of depth because you're all just a small class children. You came from first to second class. Very simple question I will ask you children. Okay. ఇప్పుడే మీరు ఫస్ట్ క్లాస్ నుంచి సెకండ్ క్లాస్కి వచ్చారు కదా. సో ఐ డోంట్ వాంట్ టు గో ఫర్ వెరీ డీప్ అబౌట్ ద క్లాస్. జస్ట్ హ్యూమన్ బాడీ గురించి మాట్లాడుతున్నాం. ఓకే. సో వీఆర్ కాల్డ్ as what? వీఆర్ ఆల్ హ్యూమన్స్, isn't it? వీఆర్ ఆల్ హ్యూమన్స్. ఓకే. మనకి హ్యూమన్ బాడీలో ఏముంటుంది? ఇప్పుడు ఇవన్నీ మనకి బాడీ స్ట్రక్చర్ మంచి మనకి ఫేస్ ఒక ఆకారం రావాలంటే మనకి ఏది కావాలి? ఏది ఉంది మన బాడీలో? బోన్స్. ఓకే. మజిల్స్ ఆల్సో దేర్. బోన్స్ అండ్ మజిల్స్. ఓకే. సో నౌ tell me, without bones, can you able to bend your body? Can you able to sit? Can you able to run? No teacher, we can't run. Okay. Sometimes, ఇప్పుడు ఏదో పిల్లలు ఆడుకున్నారు, మీ ఎలాగ మీ ఫ్రెండ్స్ ఉన్నారు. ఓకే. So as you like, some friends are there, they are playing in the playground. Suddenly one child, what happens? He got fractured. Bone fracture అయిపోతుంది. ఓకే. బోన్ ఫ్రాక్చర్ అంటే ఏంటి టీచర్ అంటే బోన్ ఇరిగిపోవడం. ఓకే. పాపం ఒక బాబుకి బోన్ ఇరిగిపోయింది, ఎవరు అమ్మాయి కానీ బాబు కానీ. అయితే వాడికి ఏంటి, మళ్ళీ లేచి మళ్ళీ ఆడుకుంటాడా? వెదర్ అగైన్ హీ విల్ ప్లే? వాట్ హ్యాపెన్స్? హీ విల్ స్టార్ట్ క్రయింగ్. వై? హీ గెట్స్ మోర్ పెయిన్. ఓకే. అది కాలు కానీ చెయ్యి కానీ ఎక్కడ పడ్డాడో అది ఫ్రాక్చర్ అయితే వెంటనే వాడు ఏం చేస్తాడు? మళ్ళీ నవ్వుకొని మీద ఆడుకుంటాడా? కాదు కదా. మళ్ళీ ఏం చేస్తాడు వాడు? మళ్ళీ కూర్చొని మమ్మీ నాకు చాలా పెయిన్ అవుతుంది మమ్మీ అని ఏడుస్తాడు. అవునా కదా? అవును. ఈ పెయిన్ ఎందువల్ల వచ్చింది? బోన్స్ ఇరిగిన వల్ల. ఓకే. బికాస్ that child bone, what happened? It had broken. Okay. So immediately you has to take him to the hospital. దాని ముందు మన ఇంట్లో ఫస్ట్ ఎయిడ్ అన్ని చెయ్యాలి, అవన్నీ ఉంటుంది. బట్ జస్ట్ జనరల్ టాపిక్ నేను మాట్లాడుతున్నా. ఐఎమ్ జస్ట్ టాకింగ్ అబౌట్ ద జనరల్ టాపిక్. సో bones are very important. If bones slightly crack or what happens? If it is broken, what happens? You can't able to walk. If it is leg, if it is hand, you cannot able to eat or write, isn't it? You can't able to lift your hands properly. If suppose hands bones are broken, can you able to lift the hand easily? మీరు ఈజీగా ఇలా లిఫ్ట్ చేయడానికి వస్తుందా? మీకు రాదు కదా. సో ఏమవుతుంది? అక్కడ పెయిన్ చాలా ఉంటుంది. అవునా కదా. సో మన నార్మల్గా ఉంటే మనం జాలీగా we will enjoy walking, running here and there, we are playing, we are jumping, we can do as you like. Okay. But what is that here? The thing is what? Bones and muscles are very very important to our body. మనకు అందరికి ఏది ఇంపార్టెంట్? ఒక మంచి మీ బాడీ ఫీచర్స్ మీరు పెరగడం కానీ, మీరు మంచిగా చిన్నప్పటి నుంచి ఇట్లా పెరుగుకొని వస్తుంది. ఎట్లా పెరుగుతుంది మీ బాడీ? ఎస్, వాట్ ఇట్ ఈస్ డెవలపింగ్ ఇన్సైడ్ ద బాడీ? బోన్స్. ఓకే. బోన్స్ మొత్తం మీరు ఎలా చిన్న పిల్లలు ఉన్నప్పుడు బోన్స్ ఎలా ఉంటుంది? పెద్ద పెద్ద బోన్స్ ఉంటుందా మీ బాడీలో? కాదు కదా. సో యూ హ్యావ్ వెరీ స్మాల్ బోన్స్. ఓకే. యాజ్ యూ గ్రో, ఎస్, ఓకే, అది ఒక ఏజ్ వరకు మనకి ఇట్లా బోన్స్ పెరుగుతుంది. ఓకే. దెన్ ఆ బోన్స్ మంచిగా స్ట్రాంగ్ ఉండడానికి ఏం తాగుతారు మీరు అందరూ? మిల్క్. యూ షుడ్ డ్రింక్ మోర్ మిల్క్. ఓకే. టు కీప్ యువర్ బోన్స్ వెరీ healthy and strong. Okay. Now without bones and muscles, can you able to see the body structure correctly and posture బాగుంటుందా? బోన్స్ లేకుండా ఆకారం ఏదైనా చూసారా? అట్లా బాడీ ఎలా తయారుంటుందా మనకి? కాదు. మనకు అసలు బోన్స్ మజిల్స్ లేదంటే బాడీ మనకి లేదు అసలు. అక్కడ అర్థమైందా? we can't able to sit, we can't able to stand. Okay. And even bending. So without bones and muscles, you cannot see the shape of our body. Is it clear, children? So let me start the name of the lesson. Now I think everyone got this lesson name. That is, the name of the lesson is what? Bones and muscles. Okay. Lesson number 5. Let me start. The name of the lesson is what? Bones and muscles. Bones and, okay, bones and muscles. Bones. So this is the lesson name. Okay. So bones are the hard part of our body. Bones are the hard part of our body. It is a soft. Bones are very soft or hard? They are hard part of our body. Okay. Listen children, listen carefully. They give what? These bones they give what? Yes, they give the shape and support. They give shape and support. Okay, so they give what? Bones are the hard part of our body and they give the shape and support to us. Okay, so without bones you cannot see the proper shape in our human body. Is it clear children? Now for example you take, now teacher will draw the skeleton now. Okay, now listen here. Now teacher will draw skeleton body. You see what is the meaning of skeleton, I tell you. Now listen children. Okay, what is this skeleton body? There is, see, look at here, there is no muscles, only you can see the, look at the structure of this head, and this is the rib bones. Okay, now listen, a spine bone, and I am just drawing the rough picture children. Okay, see, look at this. This is called skeleton body. Okay, no skin, no muscles. Look at there. Only bones you can see. Okay, this is the leg part, and this is the, you can see the hand part. This is the hand part. And this is the hand part. And here one more. Look at here. This is the leg part children. In this skeleton, no, you can't find any bones. Any skin or muscles. Only it is, you can find only this. This skeleton body has what? Only muscles. Look at here. మీకు అందరికి ఇక్కడ ఏం కనిపిస్తుంది? ఇక్కడ దీనికి సదలు కానీ దానికి మజిల్స్ కానీ ఏం లేవు, ఒట్టిగా బోన్స్ ఉంది. ఓకే, సో ఇలాంటి స్ట్రక్చర్కి ఏమనాలి పేరు? ఎస్, వన్ మోర్ హ్యాండ్. లెట్ మీ డ్రా. సీ హియర్ చిల్డ్రన్. ఓకే, సో see here. Now listen here children. Okay, this is the hands. చూడండి భయంగా ఉందా మీకు అందరికి? ఏం కాదు, ఇది బొమ్మ పిక్చర్ డ్రా చేస్తున్నాడు. ఓకే, జస్ట్ రఫ్ పిక్చర్, దిస్ ఇస్ ఆల్. Okay, so this is just I had drawn the rough picture children. So and listen here children, this is enough. Okay, so this part is called what? You can say skeleton. What is this? Skeleton. The name of this picture is what? Skeleton. Okay, now listen here children, the internal framework that bones provide to our body is called the skeleton. Okay, the internal framework. What is the internal framework? Not external. Internal అంటే లోపల మనకి బాడీ లోపల ఉన్నది ఎలా ఉంటుంది? ఈ స్ట్రక్చర్ ఉంటుంది. సో అవుటర్ ఎక్స్టర్నల్ పార్ట్ మనకి మొత్తం బాడీ ఎలా కవర్ అయి ఉంది? స్కిన్ తోటి కవర్ అయి ఉంది. సో వీ హ్యావ్ మజిల్స్ అండ్ స్కిన్. దట్ ఈస్ వాట్ అవర్ బాడీ లుక్స్ వాట్ in correct proper shape, and okay, and we have the support also because of the bones. But suppose you take this body, you know what, it doesn't have no skin, no muscle. That is the reason this body looks looks like a what? Skeleton. It is only bones. Completely this picture is what? Only bones. Okay. So in the internal framework of our body is called skeleton. Okay. Internal framework. Manaki lopala sada lopala ila untadi mana body. Ardhamainda? So this is called a skeleton. Okay. So the next one is what? We are going to start the place where two bones. Okay, you tell me how many bones are there in our human body? We have 206 bones. We have how many bones are there? 206 bones. Okay. And now tell me now. The human skeleton has 206 bones. How many bones we have? We have 206 bones. Okay. The next one. We have to go for the next one is the topic about the joint. About the joint. Okay. The place where two bones join together is called a joint. Now, in our body help us to what? Stand, bend and walk or move from one place to other. How we used to move or how we can able to bend? You tell me children now. Because of what? Joint. What type of joint? Now listen here. We have elbow joint. Okay. So many joints are there children. Now look at here. So this is also elbow joint we have, and here also one joint we have, shoulder joint. Okay. So manaki ee joints ki emantali, ee bones ki bone madhyalo emuntadi, oka joint untundi. That is called here. Look at here, and here also you can see in the skeleton. I can show you in the skeleton also. Look at this picture. So the place where two bones join together. Here this part and another part of this set of the bones. So these two place where it is joining together is called a joint. Okay. The bones, the place where two bones join together is called a joint. Joints in our body help us to what? So joint help us to what? It help us to what? It help us to move. It help us to move, walk or bend. Okay. So this can help us. Joint can help us to move, walk or bend. Okay children, second class. Is it clear? So what we had learned about the bones. Okay, today we learned only about the bones. Tomorrow I will explain about the skeleton. About not only skeleton, we will learn about the muscles. Okay, once again I will recap this class. Please try to understand. So bones are, again I will tell you only 4 points today I had explained you. That is, bones are the hardest part of our body. Adenti bone ante soft ga untada manaki human body lo. Manaki bones meeru mana bones ekkada undi? See, look at here. Manaki ivanni kodiga touch chesi chudandi mere mee finger joints lo ivanni ikkadani emundi ikkada hands ki mottamu bones. Okay. So if you can feel yourself ela undi meeku ikka cheyi pattukunte soft ga unda? Kaadu. Lopala emundi manaki bones untundi. So adenti chala soft ga unda? No teacher. Then how it is? It is very hard part of our body. Okay. Now second one, joint cheppan. Joints ante rendu bones meet ana jagaki emanali? If two bones are meet together, see two e joint, idoka bone, idoka bone. Okay. So if two bones are joined together is called a joint. If two bones are joined together is called a joint. Okay. Now third one, skeleton. What is a skeleton? The internal part of the structure is called a skeleton. The internal structure part of our body is called a skeleton. Okay. So that you can't, in the skeleton body, you cannot find what? Skin or muscles. Only you can see the bones in this skeleton picture. So how many bones are there in our human body? We have 206 bones in our human body. So how does the joint help us? Joint help us to move, walk or bend. Is it clear children? So can you able to follow this class? So we had learned about the joint, we had learned about the skeleton and about the bones. Okay. So tomorrow teacher will once again I'll recap this session. Then we will continue with the muscles. Okay. Step by step, slowly I will take you. You have to understand each and every exercise of this topic, of this lesson of what? Bones and muscles. మీకు అందరికీ ఒక్కొక్కటి అర్థం చేయిస్తాను. తర్వాత మెల్లమెల్లగా మనము లెసన్ని కంప్లీట్ చేస్తాం. ఐ డోంట్ వాంట్ టు రన్ వెరీ ఫాస్ట్, బట్ మై చిల్డ్రన్ షుడ్ హ్యాస్ టు అండర్స్టాండ్ అబౌట్ వాట్ ఈస్ అబౌట్ ద బోన్స్ అంటే ఏంటి, స్కెల్టన్ ఏంటి, మళ్ళీ ఒకసారి నేను రేపు మళ్ళీ నేను మీకు అందరికి చెప్తాను, ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేస్తాను. వన్స్ అగైన్ టీచర్ విల్ ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ యూ. Just listen today's class also. If you are not able to understand, if you are not able to follow, never mind, don't worry. Tomorrow this session will again continue with the new class. Okay, again I will recap this class, then I will start with the new session. Okay children, thank you children. Second class, take care, bye bye.